Monday, July 3rd, 2017, about 12:30 p.m. Now, Larry and Karen Knapp's Berry Farm, Wilbur, Washington, replacing front brake pads with a Mini Winnie. Putting these guys on. I'm replacing these. So this goes just like that.
This shift in emphasis to gaining political power has not left the black poor better off. In many cases, it's left the black poor worse off, and I think they should really reevaluate that strategy. Well, when you look at the
You getting around or you just getting my head?
I'm trying to get around, but you
didn't move. Here's where you're supposed to be filming. Are you filming that?
Yeah. Plus I got a thing of the brakes.
The media has coddled the left, and this leftist ideology. Look at the way the media covered Bush compared to Obama, or Obama compared to Trump, etc. So the media has actually reinforced what I agree with from your book.
Look at this.
This false narrative. That
one comes up, one goes down.
Yeah, and it's not just the media. I mean, I talk in the book and talk about power about social scientists who have been afraid to go there in terms of talking about how black culture has affected the attempts to narrow these racial gaps in educational attainment or income or unemployment and so forth. There's a reluctance due to the political correctness you just described to discuss the impact of black culture that's having on our attempts to narrow these racial divides. And you're really not doing the black community any favor by ducking that. But that is the politically correct thing to do. And again, it's not only been interfering with our politics, it's been interfering with academia and social science. And I talk about
the same size, same everything. Yeah, match up completely.
The
line is going on.
For not being honest about discussing the impact of anti-social trends in area cities.
I got a tapping on with something. Oh, my hip.
The liberal black community, especially a liberal elected black official, you become a target. So it's frustrating that I gotta watch Outdoors Inconvenient Truth in school, and that's considered fact. But we really need books like yours classes and history and culture classes for discussion. So how does that happen? How do we get that done? Well, you have shows like this one, and
It's probably just a push to squeeze somehow to get it on, and that's it. I don't know how.
My book into as many schools as they kind of need to coach. So it helps you all. I think that's one way to do it. Especially through objects like this one. But it's true, and it's true even if you're a black politician out there wants to do the right thing and speak honestly
Watch your head.
about the cultural problems out there. You get attacked too. I mean, when Obama went on occasion to talk about the importance of black fathers, the liberal who wanted to reach the race during the blacks instead of what blacks were doing for themselves. And that, unfortunately, is the direction in which you're pushed or pulled when you enter the
The thing about it is this damn thing is sharp, you know?
Yeah. Well, that screwdriver working with that's dangerous.
Huh?
That's working with that screwdriver is dangerous. Get stabbed.
I did last night. I also ordered it on Kindle so I could read it, and it's a great read. It's a very inexpensive book as well, so you get all kinds of goodies at a great price that you can share with family and friends. One more show coming up, and Louis Gohmert, Congressman Louis Gohmert, up next on the EIB Network. Hi, I'm Dave Spencer. And I'm Teresa Lucas. We are taking a celebrate any holidays with our
That's all we gotta do is something.
What is that thing?
That's the brake pad slide on this. See? I know that has to go in first. When it came out, the rotor moved.
there it goes.
Okay, now anti-seize. Got this from Larry Knapp's. And he says the can they bought about 30 years ago. Don't use much of it.
Jeez.
Just warm to your Soviet.
You had that, didn't you?
Huh?
Didn't you have stuff like that?
Yep. Yeah.
What does it look like?
You the camera on it?
Yeah. Ew. It's like dead silver worms or something.
That's all you need, pretty much. On each side like that much, and that's it.
Your loved one are charged with a crime, and you can't afford not to give me a call.
Well, they don't need you, might be easier.
That isn't an everyday name for a guy. If you own a European car, it's the preferred name for a whole lot of people around town. Europro Automotive is where you'll find Ben and his team providing expert European car maintenance, repair, and parts for you do-it-yourselfers. Get the dealership surcharges and get to know friends. And Europro Automotive just went to sign.
You know, Pats, we're almost done putting with the brakes here. Once this stuff's on, brake pads go in place, caliper goes back on.
A select quote agent with a true story that can save you hundreds of dollars a year. A woman named Linda just called.
And he saved us $1,000?
Huh?
And he saved us $1,000?
Oh yeah, we'll get that information in there. We're gonna take it to the RV repair place. You have 40 bays. Each one will hold a Class A bus. They wanted $600 to $800 to put these on.
That's almost twice the coverage for less than half of what you got. For your free quote, or go to selectquote.com. We shop, you save. Get full details on the example policy at selectquote.com/commercial. Your price can vary depending on your health, issuing company, and other factors. Not available in all states.
The Ugly Duck is a liquidator and a direct distributor. That's why you buy for less. You talking, you look at what you're buying. A full-blown door shop for you. The Ugly Duck, 1727 West Pinto, Spokane. Class.
Come right over to your Teen Store, the Authority Center for your Monday. We're watching.
That's it. Give me a serviette to wipe this off and put the brakes on.
Northwest. Tuesday for the 4th of July, more sun on the way and slightly warmer. We're looking at mid to upper 80s and potentially low 90s. 4th of July.
Listen to News Radio 590 KQNT live on your mobile device with the iHeartRadio app.
Okay, the brake pads on.
We now return to Ken Matthews on the Rush Limbaugh program.
Welcome back to the EIB Network. Thank you so much for joining the conversation. What a pleasure to be here today with a
They wanted $800 to $1,000 to put these on in another place.
as a conservative, I have to tell you,
And Ray's truck repair said he would have to leave it 3 to 4 days to get this done. Got this is the caliper, dual cylinders. One here, one there.
And what was the other part that you ordered but you canceled it?
The rotor, this thing, we don't need it.
Yeah. Do they look okay?
Yep. That's it. Put the bolts, 2 bolts back in. See the bolts? They're 13 millimeter bolts.
Well, so we trying to separate the testicle story from Louis Gohmert being on the show. I'm going, what was that about? So much for that. Where were you going with this? We've all heard it. We all grew up with it. The classic. The surgeon took the wrong testicle story, and they sued him for $870,000. So we had a lovely nurse call us and say that should have never happened, but sometimes it does. And I thought it ended there, but then I started thinking, what a way to pick up some extra money, because I'm done with my testicles. So that's what
You gotta get it pushed down. There's sliders in here. There's sliders. The worst keep me from getting in place here.
I was hoping you could have done that road. Yeah, it is a problem. On both sides of the aisle. Yeah, it certainly is. So I'm glad I'm thrilled that you made it in, and tell us a little bit about committees and what you come to people that aren't
That's it. The tape's still running? Okay, good, because the whole thing is going to show you how long it took to change brake pads once you got the old ones off, which was just about the same amount of time on this one.
In order to be a chairman, you have to be what's known as a team player. Frankly, you have to raise a ton of money, and you have to do what you're told. Never raise any questions about what we're doing, and you should never point out that we're not doing what we promised and that kind of thing. So we have to become
That's it.
liberal.
Put them on.
Well, it's nice. And
Tighten them right down.
at times when, like recently, I'm in line with the everything I've ever done. But early on, when I started seeing people not keeping our promises in leadership, I realized if I can all this down, then
That's it. Brakes are done. So how long that damn film takes, right? Because we took the whole thing, putting them in place. It'd be the same thing reversing it. It'd be easier because you're just ripping out the old stuff faster. That's it for this one, huh? All right, I'm gonna have a simple soda. Smoke. I'll put the tire back on. Jack up, put the rod back under. No. We're not putting the rod back under. We're gonna change the inner tire first. Get a brake. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, over and out.
We're gonna leave
This
this
is on
tire
how to
on.
change the mini brakes.